Guys, my dog is a virgin. Oh, Whiskey is a virgin. These people want to disvirgin my dog today. Guys, you guys should be watching this video. See what is happening here. They want these two to mate, and my dog, see my dog standing there with my husband. So he has not done this for the first time. So this is the first time. We are just trying to know if he can. But unfortunately, he's still a virgin. He don't know how to do it, guys. This is very, very funny. You guys should watch.
Chalo, I'm virgin. I'm here, Kenny. Ah. I'm not good in doing that.
Whiskey is hiding though. Whiskey, go now. Whiskey, go and do. This is very, very funny. Why are you hiding, Whiskey? Oh my God.
Come here.
See what is happening here? What is happening? See Whiskey. This dog is very funny. Whiskey. You guys should watch. Hey God. This dog will not kill me, I swear. Whiskey, why are you embarrassing me? Why are you disgracing me? Whiskey is not man enough. God, my Whiskey, I'm disappointed. Whiskey is not man enough. Oh.